Look at this question. We do have different given values and few are missing. So how do you solve it? If we select question number 1 and part A, we see that radius is given, which is 7, and angle at center is given, which is 72 degrees. And this is the length is in centimeters. Now we need to find the arc length, area and perimeter. So let's start with this arc length. So we know that arc length is equals to angle by 360 times 2 pi r. We know the angle, that is 72, and we know the radius, that is 7. So you get the arc length 72 by 360 times 2 times pi times r is 8.80 centimeters. Now this is the arc length, which we can fill right here 8.8, and we know that arc length plus 2 radius is perimeter. If we just add arc length plus 2 times radius, this is your circle, this is your arc length, plus r will give you the perimeter. So perimeter is equals to 8.80 plus 2 times 7, and your perimeter becomes 22.8. For the area, now the area is angle by 360 times, first look at this was 2 pi r for perimeter, but now it is pi r square, so do not mix these. So 72 by 360 times pi, and the radius is 7. So 72 by 360 times pi times 7 squared is 30.787, rounded to 3 significant figures is 30.8 centimeters square. Look at the second question. Now we know the radius and we know the perimeter. So radius is 35 millimeters, angle is missing, arc length is missing, area is unknown, and the perimeter is 136. So all you can do is use this perimeter and radius to first find the angle. So perimeter is equals to angle by 360 times 2 pi r plus 2r. So perimeter is 136, angle is unknown, divided by 360 times 2 pi, radius is 35 plus 2, radius is again 35. We can also solve for arc length. Arc length was perimeter minus 2 times radius. So perimeter is 136 minus 2 times radius, that is 35. So 136 minus 2 times 35, arc length is 66. So either you fill it here or arc length is 66. And solving for this, 66 is equals to x by 360 times 2 pi r. Just make x the subject of the formula. 360 over 2 pi times 35 is equals to x. And your angle is 66 times 360 over 2 times pi times 35 is 108 degrees. So done with arc length, done with the perimeter and the angle. Now you have the angle, you have the radius, you can find the area. So area is angle by 360 times pi r square. Angle is 108 and the radius is 35 millimeters. So 108 divided by 360 times pi times 35 squared is 1155 rounded millimeter square. Let's do one more. For instance, this F part. Now you only know the angle and area and all other are missing. So angle is known, area is known, radius is unknown, arc length is unknown, and perimeter is unknown. These three are unknown. and the angle was 75 and area 154. 75 and 154. Okay, now we have the area and angle, so we can find the radius. Area is equals to angle by 360 times pi r square. So just plug in the values. Angle is 75 by 360 times pi r square. Now make r the subject of formulas. 154 times 360 divided by 75 pi is equals to r square. Then take the square root. So you've made r the subject and your radius is 154 times 360 by 75 pi, and radius is 15.339 and up to 3 significant figure 15.3 centimeters. Now we know the radius, so we can find the arc length and perimeter. For arc length we know angle by 360 times 2 pi r. So angle is 75 by 360 times 2 times pi, and the radius is 15.3. So angle divided by 360 times 2 times pi times 15.3, and your answer is 20.07. So approximately equal to 20 centimeters. And arc length and perimeter is, you just add two radiuses in it. So 20 plus 2 times 15.3, and your perimeter is 50.6 centimeters, centimeter, centimeter, centimeter square, and degrees. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.